Can the sun really lighten hair? I spent a full month in Thailand and I wasn't actually planning to make a video about this. The experiment happened a bit by accident. Today I want to show you exactly what I did during those 30 days, what I didn't do at all, and what real effects I noticed on my hair. I went to Thailand for a month with no filming plans whatsoever. This trip was purely about rest and switching off. But somewhere in the back of my mind, I had this quiet hope that maybe, even just a little, the Thai sun would lighten my hair. That's why, whenever possible, I try to wear my hair loose, or at least half tied up, so that as much of it as possible was exposed to the sun. At the same time, protecting my facial skin was very important to me. When the UV was strongest, I used my handmade sun visor. This way, my hair was constantly exposed to the sun while my face stayed protected. In most cases, I also tried to keep my bangs on top of the visor, which, let's be honest, didn't look very stylish. After about 2 weeks, I noticed that my hair had lightened slightly. That was the moment I thought that if there were already some visible results, I could try to gently help the sun along. So I decided to use one method that I previously tested on hair samples and knew it actually works. I'm talking about lemon juice. In Thailand, I used lime instead of lemon, simply because the limes, not lemons, were available everywhere. Everything was done in very basic conditions. I had no proper tools to prepare the mixture. I didn't even have a knife to cut the lime, so what you see in the footage isn't very aesthetic. I gently dampened sections of my hair with water and then applied the lime juice. With my hair prepared like this, I spent some time in the sun walking in different directions so the hair could be exposed from all sides. Even though this method is effective, it's not one of my favorites. Once the hair dried, it felt stiff, the strands stuck together, and the wind made it tangle very easily. Because of that, after just one use of lime juice, I gave up on it completely. For the rest of my stay in Thailand, only the sun was working on my hair. You might be wondering whether seawater had any influence on my hair during this experiment. The answer is both yes and no. As you might know, I've done an experiment on this channel before where I tested whether seawater and sun lighten hair and compared it to other methods. That experiment showed clearly that seawater is very damaging to hair, especially when combined with sun exposure, leaving it dry and brittle. Because of that, whenever I went swimming, I tried to keep my hair tied up. But sometimes it was only in a loose braid, sometimes partially loose, and I didn't panic about it. But it definitely wasn't the case that I soaked my hair in a seawater on purpose and then exposed it to the sun. So the real long-term lightening effect came from the sun itself. Seawater and lime were just small episodes. So how did I take care of my hair during this time? Honestly, I didn't use any special hair care routine. I washed my hair with whenever was available in the rental house or hotel. Sometimes it was shampoo and sometimes, if there wasn't any, just a regular shower gel. That wasn't always available, so I also bought a herbal shampoo with a simple formula. I washed my hair almost every day because the high temperature, humidity and sand didn't really leave me with much choice. That's very unusual for me as I normally wash my hair every 3 to 4 days. I bought a hair conditioner in a Thai drugstore and honestly they have everything there. I also found a great ceramide cream and even fluoride-free toothpaste. So if you are traveling to Thailand, you really don't need to pack your entire bathroom with you. Coming back to the conditioner, the one I bought in a rush turned out to be from a British brand. Even though I'm pretty sure I had tested it years ago, This one bought in Thailand turned out to work so well my hair that I will definitely buy it again. I applied it only to the mid-length and ends, left it on for about a minute, and then rinse it out. Every time once it dried, my hair was soft, smooth and well hydrated. And now the most important part, the results after 1 month in Thailand. In those shots, you can see my hair recorded for a video published just before my trip. And here you can see my hair after coming back. The difference isn't dramatic, but is noticeable. The lighter strands are most visible on my bangs and around the face. But overall, my hair has become lighter too, and I think you can see that as well. And those are results on quite dark hair after just 1 month in sunny Thailand. I am very curious what my hair would look like after 3 or 4 months in the strong sun. Let me know in the comments whether you are also trying to lighten your hair during holidays or if you prefer to protect it from the sun. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!